When a Lenovo laptop fails to turn on but the fan is running, there are several potential reasons for this issue. One possible cause is overheating, which can occur when dust builds up in the vents and reduces air circulation. To resolve this, clean any dust buildup in the vents. If this attempt is unsuccessful, it may be necessary to investigate whether the laptop has hardware problems. Another possible cause is a buildup of static charges, which can be fixed by unplugging the charger, removing the battery, and holding down the power button for a minute. A bad RAM stick or port can also be the culprit, and this can be addressed by removing the RAM sticks, cleaning the ports, and then reinstalling the RAM sticks one at a time if necessary. Additionally, the laptop may not be running according to its settings, in which case performing a manual BIOS reset can be helpful. This involves unplugging the CMOS battery from the motherboard, waiting for a minute, and then plugging it back in. The CMOS battery is a round component that resembles a watch battery. If none of these fixes work, it may be necessary to seek assistance from an expert, as the issue may be related to equipment problems. By trying out these potential solutions, it should be possible to fix a Lenovo laptop that won't turn on but has a running fan.